I am in this vlog. Where are you? You are on the front of your smartphone screens. That's fine. That's fine for me. I mean, if you are there, that's what I wanted. I want you to there and watch my vlog as soon as you guys want. But let me know that what you guys are thinking inside while watching this. What you guys are thinking? What you guys are thinking? What you guys are doing? I am again in this vlog, and tonight I am late, but I should try my best to continue this journey every day. I mean, practice makes man's, women's, and everyone's perfect. As it makes me that I read, I think I know it somewhere. I started. No, I came back because I already started. Yes, you can do this. I won't tell now that what I'm talking about, but I have talked about it already, and I shouldn't feel that way. They are humans like me. They are not doing anything that can make me that. So I should. भाई कोई ने वे चुंदे पे अच्छा रुको ए they were those, yes, these guys, they were basically those guys who interrupt me, but it's fine, no problem. They interrupt me that way. I mean, I didn't feel that way that they interrupt me. It's fine for me. It's adjustable for me as they interrupt me. So sometimes some people say harsh things, but they didn't say harsh things. So because of that, it was somehow adjustable. Now let's come to, there is a artificial land. I told it already. Somewhere else or here. No, I told this somewhere else. I'm thinking I should continue. Two biker were passed by me, and I think I just need to talk the same way, and my 5 minutes will go there, and then I will go where I wanted to go. Another human is coming. Lights are on. We are going in a day because the sun will arrive soon after some time. But with the dark, we can say that I am in a dark. A human, I mean, I shouldn't talk about it more. I can talk about some other possibilities, like what is running on in my mind. What is running on in my mind? Basically, sleep. It's time for me to sleep. So sleep is running on in my mind. The other thing is for me, which is running in my mind, is I could run myself. What could I run? I'm thinking about my friend there, and that friend of mine is Gujjar. What? Sohail Gujjar. I'm sorry, I shouldn't take names. So, but I did it. So it's not that. I mean, it's not that restriction by algorithm that you don't need to take name. So I take the name. By the way, while watching this, what you guys are doing? I mean, I am running out of data, so I feel like to say this. You can notice my situation from me that I am not that energetic, and it happens because it's time for me to sleep. After some times, it will be time for me to sleep. So it happens, it's natural, it's not that. So, guys, there were hills where I go, and that is a book center. Let me check. I think I should stay here for some more seconds. Then this vlog will be there as a cat is doing their job. The cat is doing their job where it what it like cat is doing mew mew, and I can hear it. So I think I should move and go there, and then my vlog will be there. It I wanted. I mean, I am not that. I mean, I should stay here because I have to do one more task here. I mean, think. I shouldn't overthink. I should complete. I should. Bye bye. Bye bye for now. Bye bye for tonight.